claustrophobic because we are going down 27 floors down to Ruby Falls.
9th, 1928. Yesterday, the drill workers had to stop their progress when they encountered an unexpected rush of cool air, 260 feet. We're going to take a crew and be lowered into the shaft today to explore what's down there.
So here we are down in the bottom of Ruby Falls. It's crazy how low we got so fast. You never feel so alive until you're 260 feet under the ground.
Welcome to historic Ruby Falls. We're glad you're here. Your elevator brought you down 260 feet into the very heart of historic Lookout Mountain. Dominating the skyline of Chattanooga, rising up from the banks of the Tennessee River and stretching 80 miles southwest into Georgia and Alabama, Lookout Mountain features extensive cave systems, including the Lookout Mountain Cave. Throughout history, the natural opening of the Lookout Mountain Cave on the banks of the Tennessee River allowed easy access for early Native Americans.
So we are now on our way through the tour of Ruby Falls Cavern. Let me show you where my head is compared to the ceiling of this roof. Like, I have like an inch from the ceiling where my head is.
That's scary.
Elephant's foot.
Where?
This is where the guy was first able to stand. Right here. It is crazy. So now we're in this area of the cave where there's formations, and it's against the law to touch them if they're still growing and wet, she said, but this one's not, have water on it and stuff, and so we're allowed to touch this formation. I feel so illegal. Now that there looks like the north end of a donkey that's heading south. This is the largest underground waterfall in all of the United States of America. And I think we're getting close because it's all wet in here. Here's the Leaning Tower. This is insane. Formation huge. And there's the turtle. Right there. So many cool lights contrasting and lighting up everything. That makes this place so awesome. Imagine the guy that first came down here and explored it. I mean, he was crawling under all of this. I mean, I can barely walk under this. I mean, it's like 2 feet tall. Waterfall's Flowstone Formation. Look at this. It looks like a waterfall of rock. This is awesome. These ceilings are literally so low. It's knocking my head off. This place is sweet, man. Oh, it's awesome. I love caving. We are 1,120 feet underground. We started at 260, she said. This is awesome. Guys, we made it to the waterfall. It's so awesome. So we're gonna go inside and look. We can hear it kind of from now. I don't think you guys can yet, but it's 145 feet tall. The biggest underground waterfall in all of the United States. Tall, and you can hear it now, guys. Oh my gosh. Straight ahead. It's dark, and we can't see it yet either. There's gonna be a light show that starts. You can hear it for sure. Oh my gosh. It's right there. You can see it with, oh my god. This is legit. Look at that. So guys, we made it to the waterfall. Woo! Pretty awesome, isn't it? Yeah! Woo! Dalton, how many floors are we under the ground?
112.
112 stories down.
Yeah.
Imagine a 112-story building and then us, but down. Okay, so we're almost the World Trade Center down.
The size of the World Trade Center under the ground.
Western sunset.
It does look like it.
Yeah, it does. See this donkey here? We saw him coming in. I'm gonna call him Jack. This is where the first dude that came in here crawled through to get into the cave. This is awesome. Wow. This is beautiful. I can officially say Ruby Falls is an extremely cool place. I would definitely check it out if you ever make it to Chattanooga, Tennessee. And Rock City if you ever make it to somewhere in Georgia. Like Lookout Mountain, Georgia side. Now let's go upstairs. Our 260-foot elevator ride up. Let's go. So now we're about to go up the elevator. 27 stories back up to the surface, or actually maybe more because we're going to some tree chop lookout thing. So well guys, we're back in the outdoors, the real world. That was crazy and that was awesome. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed going down into Ruby Falls, seeing all the cool formations and the waterfall. And
It was great.
Yeah, it was great. It was great. Fabulous. Any other words for the people?
You should come and see it.
Yes, you should. I would definitely rate it 7 formations out of 10.
Right.
Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching again. And check out some of the other videos. I was at Rock City in the last video, so make sure to go check that one out. And live the adventure, people.